You need to be there early. You're the only one who can do it. Don't let anybody know. Must get to Royal High. Yes, Master. I will go to Royal High. Without Ality. Whatever you say. I believe it is kind of rude to go to Royal High without Ality, because we promised we would go together. But if I'm back by the time she gets here, then I guess I have to go with what the Master says. Off to Royal High we go. Thank you. Have a nice night. Alright. There are already people here. Okay. I don't even think I've signed up yet. What am I doing? Nope, I can't turn back now. I'm not even signed up yet. I'm not here with Ality. Nobody even is here that's supposed to be here. What am I doing here? It's okay. It's 7:15. I'm just gonna run to the restroom. Bryn, calm down. Yes, you're here without Ality. No, you have no idea what you're doing. What are you even doing here? To get a tour of the school? But in 2 days, when you come with Ality, you get a free tour in the advanced. Why? Why? Well, it's okay. My master sent me here. I do what my master says. And that is that. But why would my master send me here? Nobody we're looking for is here. Nobody, nothing, not even Ality is here. Ality doesn't even, It's all right. I guess we just gotta go. I mean, it's almost noon. I guess it's almost lunchtime. So, I don't even have a locker here. Wait. Where am I supposed to stay? Well, there are, I heard about Royal High. There are dorms. Yeah, sleeping chambers right up there. So I think that's where I stay overnight. But I don't think you can just rent them for one night, so I might have to like break in. It's okay. I'll go to the empty food court. Menu, I'm not hungry. I'll just have a bottled water. Yes. Caprin, yes, take my money that I didn't earn because I get it for free because we're on a quote-unquote mission, yet I'm here alone. Why? It's okay. It's okay. Is anybody here sitting down? Okay, I think I could sit down without being asked any questions. Alright, oh, free cupcakes. Oh, hi! Thank you. Thank you for your free cupcake. Thank you. I would love a free cupcake. Thank you so much. I love cupcakes. Cupcakes are delicious. Yes, thank you for your cupcake. Alright, now don't be suspicious. Oh, hi. I just gotta walk around up to my dorm. Nothing to see here. Run. Oh, that dorm's already taken. I don't want to be caught. I'm not even signed up here. Okay, nobody's here. Okay, got my key. The key in my hand. Now lock myself in the bedroom. Alright, the bedroom doesn't even have a bed. Nothing is here until Monday. I just need a rest.